Hey, what's up guys? Jason here. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Beckett Simonon, the Chukka boots collection. If you're not aware, Beckett Simonon is a company that you pretty much pay in advance and wait about 3 months for your shoe to be made, and then they ship it out to you. Every month they'll promote certain shoes and they'll collect money for it. Once they have enough pre-orders on that shoes, they'll go ahead and start making the shoes. It'll take about 3 months from the day that you purchase to receive the shoes. I love Chukka boots. So when I seen that they had 3 Chukka boots in that same month that I found out about it, I literally had to jump on all 3 of them. I got all 3 colorways. Now from their website and just from the reviews, they make it seem like as if you're gonna receive this very nice high quality shoes for a very low price. You know, the only downfall to it will be you have to wait 3 months. So that 3 months seems like a good thing and a bad thing, because it's a win and a loss at the same time. You're gonna win by getting something that's high quality for a low price, and you're gonna lose by waiting a while to get that item. This campaign is from February. I received it in May. I did order all 3 colorways they had that month. I wasn't sure, I was indecisive on which color I wanted to get, so I went ahead and grabbed all 3. They do give you a discount when the more you buy, the more you save. After receiving the pairs, guys, I have to say I am very not satisfied. You know, just from the campaign and just from what I read, I was very optimistic, excited, waiting. I was anxious, you know, waiting to get the shoes. I couldn't wait to share with you guys. I thought I was gonna get this very nice high premium boots, you know. Surprisingly, this is the best pair because The suede is not wrinkled in the front. There's no burn on the soles, but it does have a crack right here on the sole and right here on the back where it connects the sole. The inner lining is different color from the back and the sides. You know, here you have it dark brown, here you have light brown, and it has a black burning mark right here. As you can see here on the blue pair, it's very noticeable. I think you're gonna get this high quality pairs of boots out of this world. You know, you're not gonna be disappointed. So I thought, why not get all different colorways, you know? That way I can save money and have something very nice. But that was a very bad decision, guys. I would recommend, if you were to try out Beckett Simonons, just to buy one pair at a time, because I'm pretty sure if you buy just one pair, they're gonna try to sell you and keep you in. So they're gonna send you the best quality. When you order two, I guess they just scrummage up together a couple of boots and just send it out to you. Now don't get me wrong, the shoes are built nice. They look very nice, high quality, yes. What's the thing that I don't like about my boots is it has a lot of defects, if I would say, you know? Like for example, burnout marks on the soles. The suede, I have to say, is very nice. This is the only thing that I like about the boots, is the suede is very nicely made. But on the other boots, you do see a wrinkle right here, which is my big pet peeve. I hate that. I don't know about you guys, but there's nothing worse than buying a brand new pair of shoe and receiving it looking like it's been worn. That's something I can't go with. So with Beckett Simonons, they do have a 60-day return policy, but you have to make sure that the soles, the bottom soles, is as clean as possible. And as you can see, guys, from the video, when I tried on the blue pair, I did try them out outside, but before I tried them outside, I always sweep out the concrete so it can look clean for you guys, so that I don't think there was any rocks or any debris that should do damage to the soles. So I went ahead and wore them. As you can see, I'm literally turning around very slowly, you know, trying to keep them as clean as possible, just in case I do want to return them. Because as you know, guys, when I do an unboxing, I don't know what I'm getting. I don't know if I'm gonna like them. I don't know if I want to keep them. So I always want to play on the safe side. With the blue ones, I started off too excited, so I just went ahead and put on my feet. I would say that was a big mistake, because now I cannot return these. And out of all the three pairs, these are the ones that I don't like the most. Reasoning, it has a burning mark on the sole, and it shows most, and it shows very clearly. I am gonna return all of these boots. I did contact Beckett Simonon to request a return. After reading their policies, I did see that my blue suedes, they will not be returned because they had been scratched right here. And like a dummy, I took some water and tried to wipe it off, and somehow that just smudged all the paint all around, and it made it much worse. I guess if you're buying one pair, they might send you a really nice pair because they want you to keep it. But since I purchased three pairs, I literally have every single one has its own defects, and I'm just not satisfied, you know, I'm not happy. Hopefully you guys can get something out of this video, and if you decide to get you a pair of Beckett Simonon, I highly would recommend you buying one at a time, just in case. And I would suggest you would go for the all leather pairs. I heard they do make good leather shoes, but I do like the suede. The suede is not bad. This chestnut is the best one out of all three pairs. It's built very nice. There's no wrinkles right here. That's what I hate the most, is wrinkling right here, and the way it's built is always bent a little bit. The way they make it is kind of like bent. Yeah, I don't like that. So guys, I am going to be returning these boots. I paid $179 a piece for these. Comparing this to Thursday boot, I will be making a future video comparison. I would already go with the Thursday boots because they're $149, they're cheaper, and they're much better if you ask me. The soles are not as good as this, but then again, if you're planning on returning this, the sole is your #1 enemy. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Hope you hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned till next time.